Welcome to Kotzebue, Alaska. Alaska is a huge state, and there are many ways to break this state up to describe different portions or regions. To this end, I will simply say Kotzebue is part of Bush, Alaska. This description then divides the state up into two parts, the road system and the non-road system. Within the non-road system, goods are shipped by barge or jet plane to 5 different hub villages, and Kotzebue is one of these. Then the products are loaded into small bush planes and distributed to other villages. Kotzebue is located north of the Alaskan Peninsula and above the Arctic Circle. It has about 3,200 residents. Large buildings in the Arctic are built on pilings. These pilings are drove 35 to 40 feet into the permafrost where the ground is hard as a rock. If the buildings were placed directly on the ground, the permafrost would be compromised and the ground would turn to mud, and there would be no way to keep buildings level. Kotzebue has a large hospital with doctors, whereas smaller villages may have a health clinic that is staffed with nurses who take vitals and call a doctor for further directions and prescriptions. Significant health issues are always medevaced out to Anchorage. All of the electricity in rural Alaska is produced by huge diesel generators, and the fuel is barged into Kotzebue during the summer months. This time-lapse video shows steam from the generation plant during a negative 30-degree Fahrenheit day. Kotzebue has one police station. It is located directly next to the liquor store. Although this is ironic, it is a model that may work well in any city in the world. Two gas stations in town, and the service is as full as you choose to make it. The gas station takes a credit card and is open 24/7. This is 3rd Street. It's really the main street in Kotzebue. Kotzebue has a nice fire station with a dedicated crew that is on staff around the clock. There are 2 grocery stores in town and several apartment buildings. The AC grocery store is well stocked and has all the necessary provisions that you might find in any grocery store. Items like pop, juice, and milk that weigh a lot cost a premium price. Additionally, items that take up a lot of space like chips and packaged cookies also have a shipping premium cost to them. The store has a cooler section, as well as a freezer section. Kotzebue has a very large school. It serves students preschool through 12th grade. Here we have more of the school on the left-hand side, and part of the tank farm that holds all the diesel, gas, and stove oil for the community that's barged in during the summertime. This crane is used to unload barges at the dock. Front Street is located along Kotzebue Sound, which is a portion of the Chukchi Sea. We'll go down the boat ramp here and across the water. We're going to go back, up the boat ramp, and down Front Street. Front Street is the cosmopolitan street of Kotzebue. You can see the sundog on the right-hand side of the sun. All U.S. mail in Kotzebue goes to the local post office, and residents must come pick up their mail at the post office. Each household in Kotzebue rents a mailbox from the post office. The service at the post office is what you'd expect. Here we are back at the sea ice, heading into town. The airport is just behind us, so this plane is on final approach for landing. There are 3 commercial airlines in Kotzebue and many more private air services. Alaska Airlines brings Boeing 737s into town, and Bering Air and Raven both fly 9-seat Piper Navajos and 14-seat Cessna Caravans from Kotzebue to nearby villages. The Alaska Airlines terminal is not very big. Notice the huge baggage carousel. When it's -40 and the wind's blowing, this is a long walk. Thanks for visiting Kotzebue.